In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable asking for camera permissions on Outlook on PC 5 minutes. If Outlook on your Windows PC isn't popping up a prompt to use your camera, the system level camera access is likely turned off. We're going to switch that back on so Windows can ask for your permission the next time Outlook needs the camera. This doesn't automatically grant access, it simply restores the prompt so you stay in control. Start by opening your PC settings. The quickest way is to click the Start button and choose Settings, or press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once Settings is open, look for the section called Privacy and Security. This is where Windows manages what information apps can access, including your camera. Inside Privacy and Security, you'll see an area called App Permissions. These are grouped controls for things like your microphone, location, and camera. Select Camera to open the Camera Permissions page. Here, find Camera Access at the top. This is the master switch. If it's turned off, no app on your PC can access your camera, and you won't even get a prompt. Click Camera Access to view the control, then enable it. When you turn this on, you're telling Windows that apps are allowed to request camera access. That means Outlook will be able to ask you the next time it tries to use the camera for a meeting, or to capture a photo, and you can choose allow or block in the moment. Below the main toggle, some PCs also display additional options that determine how different types of apps behave. You might see settings that govern Microsoft Store apps or desktop apps. These related controls work alongside camera access to maintain the ability to prompt you. Keeping them enabled preserves that ask first experience so you can decide each time. If Outlook was already open while you change this, close it and reopen it so the new permission state is recognized. The next time you start a video meeting or use a camera feature in Outlook, you should see the prompt to allow access. If you prefer not to grant it, simply choose block. You can always come back to the settings page later and adjust things. Remember, you can return here anytime to review or change your privacy settings. If you're done with a meeting and want to be extra cautious, you can switch camera access off again. That's it, quick, clear, and under your control. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get Outlook asking for camera permissions exactly when you want it to.